Good day guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Ernest Mampana, and in this video we are going to be doing the analysis for the upcoming week, of which we call it the weekly analysis. Now without wasting much time, let's get into the video.
Will never do it. Right now they are watching me doing it. This thing in my hole is like a movie. I knew it. Money, don't care about what.
Thank you so much for choosing this video, and if it's your first time in this channel, be sure to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. Now here on the screen I have EURAUD. I've already drew my channel right there, and you can see that we were actually waiting for the move to the upside. We're actually waiting for the move to the upside to come and hit here and maybe give us something here, and then finally we go back up again. But we still need to cater the inner move also. Currently the market price is here, and we can see that this was the higher high, the current higher high right there, and then this would be the lower low. Somewhere right here would be our lower low. Now we are here on a 4-hour time frame. Someone might say on a 4-hour time frame we're expecting something of this nature. We can have something of this nature right here, and then to come and test at this level again once again. And once it breaks this level right here, we're going to have something of this like this, and then continue shooting back down to give us some sort of a test again somewhere right here before we can continue shooting back up again. This is the first possibility that might happen, or we can have something of this nature. We're expecting the market to actually shoot back down. Once we are down here, we are going to shoot back down right here up until this point right there. So let me start with by just doing this, and let's switch to the smaller time frame. This is where we are currently on a daily time frame. So allow me to actually just adjust this one to this side right here, because I'm seeing some possibilities right here. So we have this kind of a structure on a daily time frame, on an hour time frame. So we are actually expecting the market to push further more down. So this is what we are expecting, and I can also treat this as something like this. That could also be possible. So we are just waiting to see actually what would happen, but I would feel much comfortable if the market would like come down here and then try to correct again and then shoot back down, so I would know now that what is it that I'm looking for. So buying opportunities for me would be slim, but selling opportunities will be very high. That's what I'm seeing on EURAUD. Alright, now on the screen I have USD Chf. I'm going to delete all this so I can explain why I got them before. Here on USD Chf, all I'm seeing is continuation to the upside. Start here. The market been continuing to the upside. From here you can see, and again here market been continuing, and currently we are here. So we want to know what would happen right here. Would the market still continue going up, or will shoot down? So what I'm seeing currently is that let me just switch to an hour time frame. So what I'm seeing currently is that the market is now somewhere right here, and this level is very important right there. This zone is very important, so we can have something like this. we are currently expecting the market to at least break out or continue shooting back up. But I also have this structure right here, this structure right there. This structure right here might confirm something different. For example, this might confirm a continuation to the downside. As we can see, you can expect something of this. You can expect to have something like this. Now I'm going to actually my first option will be to the downside, so I'll just have this somewhere right here. So my first option will be to the downside, this somewhere right there. So I'm expecting the market to at least break out and then continue shooting down, at least up until this level right here, before we can continue shooting back up, or we are now going to look for a different thing. So this is what I'm seeing on USD Chf. I'm willing to sell this position, this pair, once we cross this zone successfully, and then we will then take trades to the downside. Now let's go to a different pair. On the screen right now I have USD Jpy, and like USD Chf, all I'm seeing is it's a continuation pattern to the upside. We've seen here somewhere right here we had this type of a triangle breakout. We had this type of a triangle breakout, and now we are still here, right here again. You can see even here, even right there, we can see we still had like some sort of a continuation pattern. So we can see that we are still continuing to the upside based on the behavior of which the market been having all along. So now let's switch to an hour time frame to actually see what we can expect. The very same level from here to here. Let me just remove this so I can show you how I got it. So what I'm expecting right here, since the market now is at this point right here where I'm assuming is correcting, then I would expect the market to further move from there to just like this. So I'm expecting the market to now come back down here at this level again, and then before it can shoot back up. But should the market fail to do so, then I'm going to enter here, right here, as you can see right here, somewhere right here would be my first entry. I will just enter right there. And should the market now come down here before, then I will expect my entries once again when this level right here is being broken up, like somewhere right there at this point, then I'm continuing to the upside. So on this pair USD Jpy, there are more possibilities to the upside than to the downside. So I'm not saying it shouldn't go down, it might go down, but these are the probabilities that we are having right now. Now let's do the last pair, of which is EURUSD. On the screen right now I have EURUSD. Let me start this on a daily time frame, because this is actually a running trade currently. So here I did this setup a long time ago. So I had this channel right here to the upside, and I saw that it just broke out. We also had this zone right here which acted as here was a resistance and here was a support. So I was expecting the market to at least break at this zone. The market finally broke out at that zone, and then it went back up to do some kind of a retest, and then I went in after that. So let me switch to the 4-hour time frame to actually see what is happening. This was a beautiful structure that we got. So at this point, this is where I went in, and currently we are still holding this pair right there. But then what it is that we can look for, I'm still waiting to see actually what would happen. But then I'm expecting the market to at least come back down right here. So if I were to do this, I would expect the market to at least behave in this manner. So I'll expect the market to behave in this manner before we can actually conclude on the next movement. So this is my target right here. I will just see if this week the market will come at this place, and once the market gets to this point, then we are going to do the analysis again on this pair. Now this is what I'm seeing on EURUSD. We are still continuing to the downside, at least to hit at this level, at least to hit my take profit, and then we will look for something else after that. If you have made it up until this very end, thank you so much. I will humbly request you to hit that like button and subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet. Then I will see you on the next video.